In my last video, I shared different carousel styles. Yes, different carousel styles you can try out in 2026. And in this video, I will share with you how to create some of those carousels using Canva. Yes, in case you're struggling with carousel design, because I said it in my last video that you need to make your carousel more engaging. Like, it's very, very important. The era of boring quotes is gone. People don't have the strength to be going through those boring content. So to get more reach, to get more engagement, to get more people to see whatever you're doing, you need to make your content more engaging. And that's what I'll be sharing with you in this video. How to create engaging carousel using Canva. Let's go. Alright, so I'm thinking we should replicate this particular design. I'm just going to show you how I created this. This is the first slide. And one thing you must also ensure is that when you're creating your carousel, make sure your first slide is very eye-catching. Like, spend so much time in your first slide. Add all the things you can add to make sure that it's very engaging, because it's your first slide that people will see. It's more like hook. Your first slide that people will see before, that will now make them decide to want to swipe. Do you get? So spend time in your first slide. So let's work on this first slide. I'm just going to like recreate it so that you see the thought and addition process behind it. So this is, just ignore it. I'm assuming that you've not used Canva. I'm sure that there'll be a couple of people seeing this video, people that have never used Canva before, people that have used it that they just want to like learn how to elevate their design, their carousel design. But any of it will be suitable to the different audiences. So let's start with I'm just going to like explain everything. Let me just say this is my new page and this is what I'm trying to recreate. First of all, I need to create my background. You can notice that this is not a white background. I need to give my background a color, which is this color. And I'm just going to go here and give my background. Look at this. This is the blank page. Normally, if you open your Canva page or whatever page, it's going to look blank like this. So you have to click on it to give it the color. Once you click on it, you can see different options down. So I'll click on color and I'll give it this color. Let me just give it this one. I'm not sure if that's the exact color, but I'm just going to give it that one. Then once I'm done with that, you will notice that in this one, it is there's some, you can see a texture in the background. You can see like a box in the background. Yes, it is a text. It is a pattern. Yes, that's a pattern. And for you to get it, you just click on element and search for pattern. Let me move this one up. Why is this thing shaking? Pattern. I think this works. Hey, you see, look at this graphics part. You see different patterns. So I think I selected this one. Can you see? It is there because the color is light. That's why you're not seeing very well. So I'll change it to brown like this so that I can see very well. Then I will increase the size to fill the whole page like this. Like this. Like this. Yes. Then I'll go down to I'm sorry, not animate though, don't mind me. So transparency, and I'll reduce the transparency to about 4. Perfect. Look at that. So once I'm done with that, I'll bring it. The next thing I'll just do is to bring in my tent. You'll notice something. So in your carousel, you make sure that what you want your audience to see first, it is it that is big. And it is staring, is almost illegible. It's staring at them like this. Look at, immediately you see this design, what's the first thing you see? Skip the photograph. And that's because that's exactly the first thing I want my audience to see. So if you want to let your audience to see, skip the photographer first. Don't now reduce the size small. You're not gonna put it in one very small side here. No. Whatever you want them to see first, it should be big. You should be looking at them, you should be staring at them like this, that they cannot resist it. They will definitely stop scrolling and want to see whatever you have to say. So always make sure that whatever you want to show, it is big enough. So let me show you how I created that. I just click on, look at text here, click on text. Just select any default text type because I'm actually going to like do some formatting. Then I'll write skip the. Is this how I wrote it there? I don't know, but let me just keep it like this. Skip this shit because I want you to see my face. That's why, and now it's disturbing me. That's why it's here. I want you to see my face. Then this is how it looks. You go to font. I use DM Sans is a very nice and modern font. You should use that for a start. Then if you now later find other fonts that you like, of course, you can always explore fonts here on Canva and select any one that you want. So we click on font, click on this arrow so that you see other fonts. Then click on DM Sans. I think it was the regular I used. Yes, regular. then you notice that the spacing between the text is a bit too much, and it will not make the audience, it will not make it convenient for the audience to read through. Then I'll just reduce the line spacing like this. Skip the okay, it's even, can you see how big it is? That means it's even the bold version I use. Oh, this is very big. Oh, I didn't even know. But yeah, let me just leave it like that. Skip the photographer. Same font, DM Sans. I think this one is the bold version. Then you can just leave it like this. Let me see. You give it a different color. To give your text color, click on it, click on color, and give it this one. You notice that the space between the text is small. So we use the letter spacing like this. Then you can just increase the size, and you can always adjust it however you want it. So after the text, also you can multi-select. Just select text and click on more. Click on select multiple. Then you select the other one you want to select. Then you can drag the two together. I really love that feature. You can drag the two together. So for the image, you see that there's an image there. So just click on upload. I think I have it in my upload already. And which one did I use? I think this is it. And of course, you can remove background with Canva. Just click on video remover and click on, okay, so I do removing the background. Alright, this is okay. Then I'll just increase the size like this. I can increase the size more. Skip the photographer. Get a pro headshot with AI in minutes. I actually created this carousel for my LinkedIn page, for LinkedIn. I'm not thinking of posting it on Instagram again, because when I posted it on Instagram, sorry, I like to talk. So this is it. Then you just give it DM sounds again, regular. Then you put it under it like that. This one is like subending to give them more, to even make them want to scroll. Like if this is skip the photography, that's okay. Yes, I'll skip the photography. What should I now do? You now say get a pro headshot with AI in minutes. Don't worry, you don't worry about photographers. Photographer can get a professional headshot with AI in minutes. Then reduce the lines, sorry, letter spacing. And you will notice something. I made emphasis on pro headshot. Like, okay, professional headshot. Not be any kind of option. It's not this kind of headshot that you know that is AI. This one, do you know that is AI? No, this is me. Like, it was AI generated. So it's not those ones that you will see plastic skin. Professional headshot. Studio quality headshot. Then you now lay emphasis on the pro headshot. So you just double click. Then you now double click the particular word again. A particular word. Then you now drag it. You can see what I did. I double click, then drag it to pro. So pro headshot is highlighted. You highlight the particular word or word that you want to lay emphasis on. You can lay emphasis on your text by bolding it, or giving it a different font, or giving it a different color. So I'm going to bolding it and give it a different color at the same time. So you can see that it's more bold. Then I'll give it a different color to make it. Can you look at how it is? Look at how this is it. Is this not engaging? Would you not love to see it? Would you not love to swipe if you see this kind of browser? Of course you will love to. So I'll keep saying it. Make sure that make sure that your carousel is really, really engaging. Whatever content you want to put out, make sure it's engaging. People are not on social media, like the consumers, the average social media user. It's not dead to come and be cracking there. Why do you think people love to move toward funny content than contents that are actually helpful? Because those ones will make them think about their life, will make them feel like, okay, especially those motivational quotes or those content that will let them know that, oh, you actually have to do something with your life. Work needs to be done. Work day. You cannot be playing with your life. Why do you think those kind of content don't get as many engagement as the ones that are funny? Because people just want to enjoy their lives. So you have to make sure that your content is engaging enough, so that you can reach your audience. You can reach everybody. So yes, you can. Then you will notice that I added my name up, add your name, and I added this picture, small beautiful picture of me up there. And I added an arrow to let them know that swipe, oh, it's not one picture, it's carousel. Swipe, my darling, swipe. So for the arrow, I just searched here, elements, and I searched for, I think I searched for fancy arrow. I can't really remember. Let me just check. Just search for arrow. You see different ones. If you don't even like that one, set, but you see fine ones, another one. You can see graphics. When you search for what's like shapes, when it comes to shapes and you search, don't use, what's the name? Where is it here? I want to search again. Arrow. You see two ones there. You see shapes. If you go to the shapes one, it will be giving you arrow shapes. Arrow shapes that is not fine. You will go to graphics. Look at graphics arrows are very fine. Look at. Can you see how nice they are? Then you select any of your choice. Look at, oh, this is so cool. This is so cool. This is so cool. Can you see how nice? I've not even tried them out. Oh, I'll try them out. I'll try. I can't wait. 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 Alright. Can you see how nice they are? You can select any one of your choice and you use it. Let's just take one. Let me take this one. Ooh, look at how nice it is. This is so cool. Oh, click it. Can you see? They select any one of your chairs and that's it. And to give your to add it, you know it's carousel. It's not one design. It's not like one slide. So to give it different slide, just swipe right like this. It automatically opens a new page. Just swipe right, vim. It opens a new page. Now that's it. It opens a new page. Then you can, if you keep swiping, you opens another new page, another new page. And you can keep designing, keep designing, keep designing. Once you're done, you export and you have already clean my hand. Sorry. You export and you post it. It's as simple as that. Also, I said I'm going to be showing you two. The first one is, where is it here? Static carousel, yes. And the other one is Twitter style carousel. That one is very simple. You have nothing to worry about. But for the video carousel, I added it in the description in the last video. How to create video carousels with Canva and CapCut. But I'll add it again in this one. Go and check it out again. But it's a carousel. See the carousel and learn how to do it. So just search for, okay, go to create. I'm talking about the Twitter style carousel. This is what the Twitter style carousel looks like. I showed you this lady's page in the last video. Look at this is what Twitter carousel style looks like. I'm using Twitter because most people don't even know that Twitter is now X. It is more generally people know that Twitter. I just know that I'm talking about X. Yes, Twitter style carousel, X style carousel. That's how you can create your own too. I said in the last video that it is going viral. It is going viral on Instagram. So just search template and search Twitter style. I don't know if the Twitter style. Let's see Twitter style template. Oh, sorry. I'm not feeling sleepy. I don't know why I'm yawning. Twitter posts templates. Can you see really amazing styles here? Look, this is so amazing. Most of them are paid, but there's this particular one that is free. Look at it here. This one, Emily Dalak, it is free, so you can use this one. This is even the one that it is more common on Instagram. Yes, but if you like all these ones too, you can just pay for the pro and use it. Let's go for this one, Emily Dalak, whatever. Okay, this is it, and you just change the picture to your own picture. You change the name to your name, the name and username to your own name too. So click on gallery and let me just take from upload. I'm sure I could see an image of myself there. Let's say this is the image you want to use. Click on it. Then you will not drag it inside this app. Just drag it like this. Hey, I don't know why this thing is turning. No, don't mind. I don't know why it's turned. This is my tripod. I don't know why it's not standing well. Sorry, I'm going to do that again so that you get it. Okay, so once you import your image, just take it like this and drag it inside the circle. Can you see? Look at my image. Look at that. Oh, I can't find my images. And if you want to adjust it, just double click. Once you double click, you'll be able to increase the size and place your image there very well. Then click on done. Perfect. Then for the name, click on this place. If you set for this template on your Canva, it will be grouped. It's grouped like this. So just click on group, click on the text and change it to your name. Save for the book, but click on the good icon and the username too. My username is at the creative coin. That's it. And for the text, you just whatever you want to put there. Still the same thing as the last one. To open a new slide, just just swipe right. It automatically opens a new page. I'll be able to save everything and it's going to turn out to be a carousel and you post it. But if you swipe right like this, do you know that you have to like be repeating everything here? You don't have to be copying and pasting. But to avoid that, you don't have to do that. Just click on this one. Okay, sorry, I didn't show you that part very well. You zoom out like this. You do your screen phone like this, Vim, like this, Vim, like this, Vim. That's the same thing I'll do here. You just like this. You zoom out. You zoom out. You get to bring this page. Then you can duplicate. If you duplicate, it keeps everything. Then you just be able to change the text. Is that understood? Do you get that? Alright, that's it. I've showed you two carousel styles, static and tilted style carousel. I might show you another one in the next video. I'm sure you learned something again. I'm very sure about that. And as you know, I remain Sirat Oladipo. If you're not following me on Instagram, I really think you should. Just me, you're missing a lot. There are fellow creators there that you love. Like, it's more like a community. And not as it's Instagram. You see your fellow creators, we laugh. Like, a lot of we share interesting, we share educational content. We laugh on my Instagram page. Like, in my comment section, it's literally funny. We just laugh, we engage, we motivate, you do all of those things. You should come in, hop in. We're really happy to have you here. And if you're watching this video and you follow me on Instagram, just say hi. I'd really love to see you here too. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.